Meet the smooth, handle-free cabinet doors, a sleek, modern solution that combines form and function. No handles. No visual clutter. And installation? Surprisingly simple. We'll walk you through the step-by-step installation process, from aligning hinges just right to adjusting gaps with precision, ensuring smooth opening and flawless finish. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional renovator, these tips will help you achieve a luxury look without the salon-level price tag. Switching gears, now we dive into a corner bedside cabinet project. Cutting angles, fitting panels, and assembling a custom piece that perfectly nestles in room corners. You'll learn how to measure tricky corner angles, choose the right materials, and assemble joints strong enough to stand the test of time. This is carpentry with purpose, handle-free modern cabinets on one side, handcrafted precision corner furniture on the other. It's about making space work, beautifully, intelligently, and sustainably. Both techniques shown today aren't just for show, they're real, actionable skills that can transform your space, whether it's a home upgrade or client project. If you've ever struggled with tricky corners or want a cleaner, modern aesthetic, these methods will save you time, improve your results, and elevate your craft. Subscribe for more woodworking insight, and turn every square inch into smart design.